Do hues influence our conduct? We make a solid effort to pick the correct hues in our rooms. Medical clinics are painted white to give a feeling of neatness and cleanliness. And penitentiaries are painted pink since they are accepted to lessen animosity. These highlights, ascribed to hues, have a place with Western culture. So does hues truly have any impact on conduct? Research on this issue yields complex and now and then opposing outcomes. The red shading with the most work on it is normally contrasted with blue and green. The accompanying hypothesis recommends, if you accomplish any work you do in a specific shading condition, you will begin to relate that shading to a specific feeling or conduct after some time. For instance, the instructor's red dresses all through your school life will consistently make you partner red with peril. The way that poisonous natural products are for the most part red further strengthens this observation. Blue inspires a more quiet circumstance, as it is connected with plunging into the ocean or taking a gander at the immense sky. The shade of inventiveness is blue after numerous examinations in the past that have had complex outcomes. Specialists from the University of British Columbia attempted to locate a last reaction to the issue in 2009. Subjects were given PCs with blue, red and unbiased shading screens and exposed to different expertise tests. On the red screen PC, subjects were better at memory and remedy readings, occupations that necessary them to see detail. Yet blue screens were better outcomes in inventive aptitudes. The scientists inferred that red conveyed a message of shirking and guided subjects to be increasingly cautious. And blue had the contrary impact, pushing them to think all the more openly. Is it a need or an enthusiasm? In any case, a comparative review of a more extensive gathering in 2014 found that the impact of hues had vanished. The primary examination discovered 69 individuals while the new 263 subjects were utilized, and the shading out of sight didn't have any kind of effect. Another examination found that the subjects were offered saltines on 2 distinct plates and were told they could eat as much as they needed to address inquiries regarding their taste. The subjects ate less of the saltines served on the red plate, which was ascribed to the red notice and threat message include. In any case, when a similar trial was rehashed at another college, the contrary outcomes were gotten. Pink wards. It's really harder to contemplate the impact of hues than you might suspect. Possibly the hues don't have the impacts that we credit to them. Yet, the possibility of the effect of the hues is settled to the point that a few detainment facilities in the United States, Britain, Switzerland, Germany, Poland, and Austria paint their wards in a specific tint of pink. 20% of prisons in Switzerland have in any event one pink cell. It is likewise conceivable to name this tone, whose official name is Baker Miller Pink, as a pelty pink. The first to explore the impact of pink on detainees and convicts was the 2 American naval officials named after the shading. In 1979, investigates prisoners inferred that detainees were demonstrated pink and blue cards and were indicated a pink card and were demonstrated a lesser opposition.